Greetings and plenipotentiaries. January 11th here. Christopher Plumridge visiting a former library co-worker of mine, and he's seeing the companion piece I did in 1987 to the kind of piece I did in 1991 to the artwork I did in Aberdeen in 1987 called The OldBoid Needed a Holiday. So the title here, let me get the whole thing in here. This will be like added to the video I posted of this a couple of months ago. This is to certify, by Jove, that this picture is
jolly good
a jolly
good
show, as witnessed in Seattle and in the homeland by Yanks and Brits. So I should probably find a pen. An actual pen, and yeah, one of those will work. If you can find a fine tip one, I might have one here.
You have an inkwell? All these ink pens.
Yeah. Let's use here.
When I grew up in school, we had every desk had an inkwell in it.
That's really old-fashioned.
Mm-hmm.
They didn't have those in the States.
So all our hands every day.
That would be my parent. Here, you could use one of these. That will be fairly indelible. So, how many people have signed this? I don't. My nephew, cousin, another Magnolia Library staffer, now long retired, Barbara Fulton. This was a library patron, Magnolia. She was actually English. I don't know what happened to her. I looked her up on the internet and couldn't find her. And I don't remember who this was. Special witnessing for a Brit who I thought was a Yank, Ms. Louise, who was born in Barnet and lived in Kent till 1964 when she came to the New World. I have no idea who that was. So, and Seattle, since I did this, Seattle Long Acres Racetrack ceased to exist. I think it was sold.
Oh.
So I'll have to, well, whatever. And I guess if I could put myself into the mindset again of when I was like 37 and calling folks like the Honorable Lord Provost of Aberdeen and the Sheriff Clerk, I'll call up the mayor and see if I can bring this down to the mayor's office and have him sign it. Chief of Police Department's Bicycle Force, President of the U.S. Bank of Washington. Oh, that's interesting. U.S. Bank is still here. The Chairman of Boeing, President of Samuel Strom Enterprises. Samuel Strom Enterprises doesn't exist anymore. So I'm a little late on a few of these things.
Where should I sign?
Well, yeah, why don't you sign maybe underneath Carolyn's there.
Okay.
You're going to put Thames River for the birthplace? As I mentioned in a other video I did a few minutes ago of his illustrious sire, as I call him, or Sire for short.
It's actually, I was born in Richmond-on-Thames.
Richmond-on-Thames. So that's where the story, the folklore, as I understood it, was that he was placed by his birth mother in a reed basket in the Thames River and plucked out of the river by nuns, and then he was, who gave him...
Exile in the Crown Colony since 74.
All right. Comments.
Yeah, really.
How about, smashing good show by Joe. I don't know, whatever you want. Keep it clean, though.
Yeah, I was
Could end up on a museum gallery wall.
You can have too much of bloody...
You're being videoed, by the way.
You can have too much of bloody Yanks, But no.
Something properly English in wordage.
Yeah. Comments.
I say, where's the Cadbury's, old chap?
Yeah, really.
God save the Queen. Where's Churchill now that we need him? Can I get a nice cuppa?
Cuppa.
That would refer to like what, tea?
Tea, yes.
Ah, very good. Can we hear the whole sentence here?
I say, can I get a nice cuppa?
Ah, very good, very good. Ta. All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Sire. Your illustrious
You're
sire, I was
welcome,
about to
Rebbe.
say.